Hi, I'm Patricia Longo, and I'm a celebrity makeup artist. I've worked with models from Sports Illustrated like Brooklyn Decker and Julie Henderson to Alec Baldwin at 30 Rock. All those things that experts do that the average person doesn't know how to do, will learn how to do it on these videos. So the one thing I do like doing is sometimes I use a primer on the lip. If you don't have a primer, you can always use foundation or concealer. And the first thing I do is I put a little bit of primer or concealer or foundation on the lips. What it does is it keeps the lipstick on longer than if you didn't use it. Then I like choosing a pencil that's very similar to the color of your lip. If I decide I want to use a red lipstick or a pink lipstick, it wouldn't matter as long as I use a natural color lip liner that's similar to the tone of the lip. One of my favorites is probably Spice from MAC. It's a very, very universal color. Smile. And I like to put the pencil right on the end of the line. If I want to make Catherine's lip a little fuller, I go slightly above her line with the pencil. And as you can see, I'm going slightly above her actual lip, bringing it down. And then what I do, a little trick, is I take the lip liner and I use the side of the lip liner. And what I do is I just slightly give it a little color, almost like the lip stain. I take my finger and just smudge it a little. And already you have a natural color lip just with the lip liner. But this will help the lipstick that you choose stay on your lips a lot longer. One of my favorite tricks. So if I'm not a big lipstick lover and I just want to use a little lip liner and a little gloss, I usually like to do something that has a little plumping in it. So I would use a lip inflation plumper. And what I do is the same thing, same way I would put on gloss. This is a lip plumper. So what it does is it has a little bit of plumpness, and it'll make her lips look fuller. And you'll feel it. It has a little bit of cinnamon taste, and her lips are plumped.